I just watched a video where the creator tested over 100 AI tools this year and narrowed them down to the 7 he actually uses every single day in his business. In this video, I'm breaking them down with short, clear explanations so you can start using them right away. These tools can save you hours and make you far more productive in 2026. At number 7 is Gemini. A lot of people overlook it, but it's extremely strong for image generation, especially thumbnails and graphics, as well as YouTube video analysis and research inside Google's ecosystem. Number 6 is ChatGPT. It's still a reliable all-rounder for brainstorming, general tasks, quick help, and building custom GPTs. Number 5 is Grok, one of the best tools for real-time information. Since it connects closely with X, it's great for trends, current events, and more creative, unfiltered ideas.
Number 4 is Manus, an agentic AI tool designed for automation. It helps with repetitive work like research, data collection, and workflow tasks. Number 3 is NotebookLM, one of the most underrated tools. You can upload PDFs, notes, and documents, then turn them into summaries, study guides, timelines, and even AI podcasts. Number 2 is Perplexity, which is excellent for research because it gives real-time answers with sources and citations. And number 1 is Claude, best for writing, deep reasoning, coding, and complex work. Don't try to master everything. Pick 4 or 5 tools that fit your needs and use them well. The key takeaway is this: don't try to use all 50 tools. Pick 4 or 5 from this list that match your needs and truly master them. Which tool are you most excited to try? Comment below.